Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the money making PDF. So I kind of created this for me and my close friends, just because we know that the hardest part about being self-employed is consistent monthly income, right? Because it can vary a lot. I've seen mine vary literally by tens of thousands of dollars a month, and that's not a nice feeling, right? Especially if you got to spend this much every month, you want to at least know you're making that much. So I kind of put like together, right, a quick little PDF. I'm obviously going to keep adding to it throughout the time, but this is just something so far that I've gotten to. So, first off, in making money, I think one of the biggest factors has actually been credit. The leveraging part of it is so nice. You can actually make a decent amount. Basically, it's paid for all my travels in the past couple of years, and I haven't really paid for flights or hotels in a long time. So yeah, credit is definitely one. Discover it. You get approved 100% of the time. Second good starter is Amex Gold Sky Miles card. Easy to get, and the travel rewards are awesome. You don't pay for carry-on. You get access to the Delta Lounge. You do gotta pay like 35 bucks though, which is cheaper than the 50. Now, you get miles. You can redeem. You get cash back if you want to do that, but then you go to Chase Freedom, then the Amex Gold card, the Wells Fargo cashback card. This is mainly for business reasons. Gives you 2% cash back. Chase Sapphire Reserve card, great travel card. Amex Platinum, best card because then you get into the lounge, right? You guys can see. Have it here as well as I have their business one on top as well. Yeah, yeah. So great cards overall. Love them. I'm a huge fan of Amex. Same when I went to the U.S. Open, right? I didn't pay a cent for drinks there. I'm due to those cards, which was again super nice because they were like $20 for their Grey Goose. I don't even know what they called it, lemon drop or no, but yeah, got to sit in the lounge for free as well. So if I didn't want to watch the tennis matches in the front, I could just go up to the lounge and watch it there. Same thing with basketball games actually. I can literally buy the cheapest tickets for 20 bucks at the very top. Go to the Amex Lounge and select locations. So far, it's in LA and in New York. And then I can literally sit in the lounge, suite level, for a $20 ticket just because I have the cards. So I think credit's super nice. And you're going to need it for a bunch of these steps. So, like leveraging debt or leveraging credit. For the monthly card payment on Turo, I think it's really good. Then from Turo, right? I love cars. I'm trying to expand this to $300,000 next year. So not profit, obviously not just revenue. Then Bobcat miners. I made a video on this before breaking it down. And yeah, I'm just going through fast because at the bottom I basically have everything. So, but Bobcat miners, right? I have 10 total. Two are still on their way. They're heading to Germany. The other eight I've already gotten. I've resold four. I've kept the other four. The four I resold basically paid for the entire cost of four. Now I'm debating if I want to resell one more, and then the cost of all 10 will be covered. So I'll probably end up doing that as well as it was acting up. So I'm just trying to figure out my third one right now because it's acting up too. Their service, dog shit. They don't help. I've emailed them. Obviously, you can't call. I keep asking questions. I've DM'd them on Instagram, and basically after a month and a half, I have heard nothing. So if you can't figure it out yourself, sell it. Because yeah, and then you can speed how to speed without getting a ticket. Go to Google, get an MD license plate, it's a doctor license plate. If you're a doctor, medical doctor, obviously, you can, they're not going to stop if you're going 200 because maybe you have to go to the hospital. I had my buddy filling out. We're going to keep this on the low. Covered calls, great way to make guaranteed income. I think it's one of the best ways, in my opinion. Every week, I get $2,000, so I'm super happy with that. Granted, my account is pretty large. I do leverage it as well, so yeah. But yeah, you basically buy 100 shares of the stock, then you sell them as a contract for options traders. Here's the price. You sell your shares, plus you keep the original monthly or the original payment for the week that the options traders paid you, as well as you keep the profit from the stock. If you buy it at 44 and do a covered call at 45, you have 100 shares, you just made 100 bucks plus the premium of let's say 200, so you just made 300 bucks. So yeah, on average, it's around 5% a month on covered calls. So obviously, if you have an account of $100,000, you're earning $5,000 every month. So here are just a couple examples. I usually wait for stock that's a good blue chip growth stock that has had bad earnings that I basically then invest in and just wait for it to rebound. It's really not hard, right? There we go. This is for my buddies, my close friends. I'm just putting them on my business account so that way we can travel for work related, so we don't pay taxes on it. Best way to work 2 to 4 hours per day and earn insane income. I don't remember putting insane, but sure. These are just a couple of things that, because once you have your system set up, obviously, you don't want to just be bored at the house all day, right? I love making videos. I want at least daily work for 2 to 4 hours. Wake up, do my day trading, go to my Discord, talk to the fam. The WBB fam. Then I hop on, make a YouTube video for one of my 2 channels. I have TikTok, yes, I do, and you can get paid to post. I make a couple $100 a month. Do I need it? No. Is it fun? Yeah. Check up on credit debit hacking. I have a whole Excel sheet for me and my friends on debit hacking, where we basically get paid every 6 months, right under $3 grand. So every year we get like $6,000. So basically, that's $500 a month. Do manufactured spend with credit cards, on gift cards, and all that. Right, I'm literally doing that after this video. Simon Mall has a huge discount right now, so I can buy a $1,000 gift card and literally pay less than a $2 fee. So let's just say a $2 fee. I get 1.5% back in credit. That's $15. I just made $13 profit off of 1,000. I'm doing that 100 times. That is $1,300 profit. That's because the only card that's Amex that I do have a credit limit on is 150,000. So I'm gonna not max it out, but do $140,000 on that, and then basically, yeah, I just made $2 grand. So real estate group. This is what me and the boys do. We're just leveraging our money through ourselves. Make a full-time living, guys. You don't have to do all these. This is just kind of what I think and what I do. Some of this stuff, right? Make a YouTube channel. It costs $0. Make TikToks. Start up $0. Do manufactured spending daily. Start up $0. You just need the following credit steps. Then do 1 to 2 calls on Turo. Start up zero with good credit. Again, I stress credit. Or with bad credit, 5 to 10K. Depends on the cars. You can do Mustangs. Teslas do very well. You can do Jags, Audis, Ranges, right? Really depends. Get in on 1 to 2 equity rental with the boys. You guys can't do that. You're not a part of the group. Do apologize. Maybe I'll open it up in the future. Do debit hacks, right? Usually around $200 needed. Covered calls, I would say start with 10K. This is just everything I do. Automated Amazon account, good income. Buy a SEA coin miner, 3,500, good income as well. Buy H&T miners, you guys have the profits up there. Wholesaling, super nice. Yes, the Plum card. Let me get it out of here. Plum card for business, one of my favorite cards to use as a self-employed person, due to the fact that you technically don't have to pay it back within 60 days. So, yes. Get Truebill and Every Dollar Budget. These are just the ones I use because I get really pissed off when I get a subscription, or sometimes I sign up for stuff for a free trial, for free 30-day trial, and then I forget about it. And so Truebill and Every Dollar Budget kind of help me keep track of that. And yeah, that's kind of a quick little breakdown of this whole thing. Right, I'm obviously going to be adding more to it, but these are just things that are kind of not super specific that anyone can do. So again, there are more ways to make money, but I think this is a pretty good way to kind of get started and make a couple grand. If you do all of these methods and you just you do whatever you're doing right now, and then you do all of these methods for 1 year, right? Again, this is 2 to 4 hours of work a day maximum. That is it, guys. 2 to 4 hours a day. You work from 9 to 5. Okay, cool. You go to the gym right after. Great. Now it's 7. Okay. You got 2 hours. You got until 9 to 10. So, do that for an entire year. By that time in the next year, you should be at around $3,000 to $4,000 every single month. Literally, yeah. So minimum. So again, hopefully this helped you guys. Feel free to take screenshots and whatnot from this PDF. But again, some stuff might not help you guys because I did kind of manufacture this PDF, and I'm still going to be manufacturing it just for my my roommates and the boys kind of, and the whole group um, specifically. So, but yeah, hopefully it helps. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to message me on Instagram. And don't forget to like, comment, sub. And I do have a bunch of links down below for free shit if you want it, as well as if you want to join the WBB, free Discord link down below, and or merch stores up above. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Peace out, guys.